Hello dear Leo, welcome back to my channel and this is your monthly reading for the month of May. Your cards are already out, so let's see how this month is going to be. If you're looking for a weekly reading that's already uploaded on my channel, please click on the videos section and you can scroll down to find your signs reading. Let's see how your month is going to start. You've got the Four of Spades and the Emperor card. So you could be seeing 4 on the clock because the Emperor is also a 4 number. I see you having very kind energies, probably giving, celebrating something, doing some sort of charity, thanking gods and stars for the good things coming your way. You could be getting a promotion, authority, power, money, and a lot of success in your business and your love life as well. I see emotional stability coming back, financial stability coming back, a stable and balanced, peaceful environment around you. So yes, definitely, if you could be promoted to a level where there will be multiple people working under you, and if money was a problem in the past, if the income wasn't fixed, if you had your own business, expect a stable income coming your way from now onwards. So things will be smoothing up for you work wise especially. Coming to the second week, we have the Seven of Spades and the Burning Tower moment. Oh god, as much as you get the success and abundance, there will be a lot of things that you will be changing around this time. Okay, I do see that there is a need for some sort of change, which if you don't change, you can expect unpredictable changes in your life, like something not working out for you, some people not working out for you. It could be in your own family, friend circle, or your business as well, where things it will change drastically, right? Like beyond recognition, you have to continue to follow the path of the universe. That means whatever is ending in your life in the month of May, let it end, and whatever is coming in your life, please let it come, because that is what is meant for your highest purpose. Not all people, not all things, not all success and money will be staying with you. Whatever is meant for you will stay with you, and you could drastically change your path, which means just end your job, go for higher studies, change field, change career, switch jobs. Anything can happen in your life, and maybe not by choice but by force of the universe. Such circumstances can be created that things will change, but will change for your higher good only. When we come to the later part of the month, that is the second half, you've got the postulant and the devil card. I do see some sort of toxic energy around you which is giving you a lot of stress. You're overthinking, stressing about someone who's probably trying to bring you down, take your money, run away, right? Or spoil your name, right? That kind of situation. So I do see either one person who's toxic around you, could be family, friend, business, or there are many people who are toxic around you, right? So please identify these people and cut them off from your life, no matter how close the bond is, no matter how long the relationship is. If this is a toxic person, if they only and only have jealousy towards you or ill intent towards you, you do not have to keep them in your life. You do not have to continue to be and stress yourself with the overthinking. And how will you know if someone is toxic? Your energy will drain when you are with them. There are some people who are like energy vampires. If you do not feel positive around someone, if you feel drained after meeting someone, that's the first sign that this person is toxic and that they do not have your best interest. They are really, really jealous of you. Please cut them off immediately. Protect yourself, protect your energy, protect everything that you've built, your empire, right? You have to protect yourself. Do not share too many secrets with too many people, okay? Coming to the end of the month, you've got the Five of Moons and the Five of Suns. You could be seeing 5 on the clock as well. Do Google 4 and 5 because they have specially come in your reading. I do see that you're nostalgic about a lot of stuff, especially when you reach towards the end of May, probably because you relied on this person a lot. You look back at times, try to reminisce of the good days, the friendships, the good business, the good relations you had with certain people who are no more in your life. Probably you were in a very safe space and there were some circumstances because of which you had to change and switch jobs and maybe make such risky moves as well. You're also now worried about the competition because you will be facing a lot of competition once you reach towards the end of the month. Now, the cards are saying that you don't have to worry about the competition at all because I do see you getting successful. So if you think this is your work life where you have applied for a job and there are multiple applications for the same profile, you will be chosen by that company. If you are the business owner, customers will come and choose you, right? If this is a relationship we're talking about, if your partner is talking to multiple people and not just you, and you're overthinking about it, like, oh my god, stressing about it, whether they're going to choose you for marriage or relationship or not, trust me, they are going to choose you. You are going to be on top of your game when you reach the end of the month. You just have to keep protecting your energy, give your best, and cut the toxic people out of your life. And also do not share any sort of trade secrets with anyone, right? So please protect yourself, and yes, you will be able to come out on top by the end of the month. It will give you a relief as well. So this was your monthly reading, and if you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Please do comment and let me know that this is exactly what is happening in your life, and share your experiences. I would love to read them, like them, and I will try to reply back to each one of you if possible. And yes, last but not the least, I do personal readings as well, audio video call sessions as well. And if you would like to book cheap readings, I do typed format and audio recording on Instagram as well. So if you have any specific question on your mind regarding this reading or any other area of your life, love, career, health, kids, anything, you can ask me. I also have two kinds of rituals available. I do rituals as well. So if you would like to book a manifestation Bayleaf ritual or a blockage removal ritual, which will permanently remove blockages from your life, then you can book that as well. Easy, simple rituals, not something fancy, not something expensive at all. And last but not the least, I also do counseling sessions. So if you think you need guidance, you need mentorship, you need someone to lift your spirits, to give you that protective vibe, and to, with the help of your angels, give you some sort of remedy that will make you positive in your life, that will bring positive changes in your life, then go ahead and book the counseling session as well. There will be half an hour and 1 hour counseling sessions. And if you think you know someone, a friend or family who's going through a difficult time in their life, who need somebody to listen to them, just to share their burdens, then please go ahead and share this video with them as well. And how do you book a reading session or any sort of ritual with me? You email me at my email ID, which is askasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. Guys, also please follow me on Instagram channel, because I post all such details on a daily basis over there. Here I'm only meeting you weekly and monthly. You might not just get to know about everything that is happening, new services that are being launched, new discounts that are being launched, etc. But there you will know about everything. Yes, and do subscribe this channel as well, because you will get the notification in advance that your video has been uploaded, and you can prepare yourself accordingly on what's to come. So yes, I will love to hear from you. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching me, and I will see you soon. I'm fumbling. Bye bye.